Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. If you like my video, you can learn something. Then my efforts will be successful. We will learn from today's video to create a folder, to write folder's name, to rename a folder, open the folder and create a file. Write the name of the file created in the folder and rename it. At first, right-click on the mouse in the empty space of the desktop or laptop. A hanging menu will appear. From there, go to New and click on Folder. A folder will be created in the empty space of the desktop or laptop. Now, I want to give a name to the folder. So that it is easy to find this folder in many folders. I write my name in the folder. Okay. I suddenly thought I will put a Bengali document in this folder. Then I have to change my name. I want to write my desired name B1. So I have to right click on the folder and click on rename. Then I write my desired name B2. This way we can change the name of the folder as much as we need. Now we will open the folder. We can open the folder in many ways. Double click on the folder or click on the folder a hanging menu will appear. From there, click on Open. Or click on the folder and press Enter from the keyboard. The folder will open. Now, I will create a file in the folder. I want to create a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file at first. Right click on the empty space of the folder. A hanging menu will appear. From there, go to New. Click on the PPTX presentation. PPTX presentation. Some people can show Microsoft PowerPoint presentation on laptop or desktop. If so, you need to click on the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. My laptop is showing PPTX. So I will click on PPTX presentation. We will see the text new PPTX presentation in a blue box. Here I want to write N1. Have more files with this name on my laptop. So I want to change the name of the file. We will change the name of the PowerPoint presentation file as we have changed the name of folder. Same way, right click on the PowerPoint presentation and click rename. We can write file's name and change the name as needed. Now I want to open Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file. Same way, double click on the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file or PPTX file. This is how we use the Microsoft Word, Access and Excel file and save it by doing what? My Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file is open. Now I want to write something. First, I will select the layout blank of the slide. Let's go to the layout from home. I will select the blank layout. If I want to write something on this slide, I have to select the text box from insert. I am writing something on the slide now. I want to save my document. Then press Ctrl S and save my file. Same way, I can create Microsoft Access database. doc document, or another file. Now I can put my folder in Google Drive. Hope everybody understands. Even then, if there is any problem, let me know by commenting. For your convenience, I have tried to do things very slowly. If you like my video, subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks everybody.